Just trying to cover up his bald head, Mesquite. How does it feel being how old? And being bald?
17. He's 30.
No, seriously, how old are you?
30.
Brother.
Salam alaikum.
Brother.
Got it. Where's the curry?
Assalamu alaikum, brother.
Where's the curry?
Today we're going to be talking about the afterwork of the mosque property.
Dude, I just don't understand you.
Brother, you have to be quiet when we talk about. We cannot just talk and speak out of turn.
Didn't he say something about my mother?
Brother,
I don't know what he said.
The brother here said that some brothers are always talking out of turn.
This is
Brother in the mosque.
brother's not here.
Brother, in the mosque, we need to be having brother.
Where's the butter?
Brother, I'm not saying brother. I'm saying brother.
Where's the butter?
I'm not saying brother.
Okay.
Saying brother.
Brother?
Brother. You, me, brother. Brother. Muslim brother. Assalamu alaikum, brother.
What about Shag? I ask.
Brother.
Something about border, butter.
Brother, this is Islam. In the 7th Islam, we rise in stuff in Islam stuff.